Okay, so couldn't think of a video to make for a little bit until now. Got a new Milwaukee 3453-22 impact. Most compact, fastest, all that shit. Now, got that, but I have DeWalt's best impact, the DCF 840 C2. I've had this for about a year. This I just got today. This thing here is pretty goddamn good. But the thing is, well, I should have said this is pretty good, but the thing is, this thing got smaller batteries, and it's got, like, goddamn, this thing is a good impact. Like, it's got 3 speeds on it. And, I also it says fastest subcompact impact driver, most compact, maximum workspace visibility. It's got 3 lights on the front, but so does my DCF 840 C2 one. So this one here I got as a whole kit, I guess is what they call it. Milwaukee m12 fuel. It's got two 2 amp hour batteries, which is better than my DeWalt DCF 840 one there it is. And uses the red lithium CP 2.0 batteries, or 2 amp hour batteries, or whatever you would call it. It's got some sort of smart shit technology built into it. So, yeah, and I like how it's got, like, it's all organized inside of that case there. I guess we'll set the box down here and then I'm gonna try to open it one-handed. So there it is in the case. So here we got the charger, got the gun itself, and it's still warm because I was just testing it. And then here's our 2 batteries, which I charged. This one here I gotta put in the charger again. You also get a catalog and the manuals. And yeah, I wonder if I could take down a garage door, like a 16x7 door, with this thing on just 1 battery. So yeah, that I'll have to find out or something. Yeah, so we got that. Let me re-zip the case. Okay, I'm gonna put this back here. So, and then I got my DeWalt Tough System box there, and there's the box for the, and then here's all my main tools, all my impact sockets and shit like that. Carry all my fasteners in that DeWalt's Tough Case system, but yeah. So, anyways, bye.